Lucille Godito Yu. Another top 3, Alexis Halbuena Sumuga. Moving up to the second top notcher with a rating of 89.40%, Jenny Marie Ceruela Henderson. And our top 1 for the October 2023 Genetic Engineers Licensure Examination, Board Passer Joshua